Ridge is the one who told you what you've done.
That's right, yes.
After he was arrested for killing Shane.
Yes.
Ridge Forrester's daughter, Phoebe, she's your girlfriend, is she not?
She is.
And your mother, Brooke Logan, is it fair to say that she and Ridge are close?
It's fair to say, yes.
What about your mother and you? Close relationship?
Very.
Things good with you and Phoebe?
They're great, yeah.
How about Phoebe and her dad?
They're pretty tight.
So, given all these relationships, the love and the closeness you described with your mother and Phoebe, you'd do just about anything to help Ridge Forrester, right?
No.
Would you explain that?
I despise the man, I always have. You could ask anybody here.
Despite the fact that you now believe he took the blame for you?
He didn't do it for me, he did it for my mom. As far as I'm concerned, I don't owe Ridge a damn thing.
Having heard all the testimony and given it careful consideration, I'm going to reverse myself and disallow any mention of Ridge Forrester's prior conviction.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Now, in the small matter of your client's murder charge...
We stipulate to the state's evidence of obstruction, my client having panicked after Shane took his own life.
Objection.
After Shane's death, because of Ridge's mistaken belief that his prior conviction was the legal basis for a murder charge. Now, we know that's not the case, but Ridge Forrester, a fashion designer with no law training, did not. He heard the voice of that long-ago judge threatening him with dire consequences if he were ever to be involved in another incident involving a firearm. So instead of coming forward, which was his natural instinct...
Excuse me, Judge. Shouldn't a jury be in on this?
We are not contesting the state's case, except on one issue, how and why Shane McGrath was shot. Thanks to granting our motion, Your Honor, we know that we can safely testify in front of a jury without the fear of prejudice. However, I still believe if you were just to listen to what Ridge has to say, it would save us a lot of time and taxpayer money.
Now you're asking for a bench trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Forrester, is that your desire?
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
Ms. Turturro, will you accept the defendant's offer to stipulate?
Are you asking me to accept her theory right along with it?
Do you? Yes or no?
All right, yes. The state rests.
Ms. Blair?
The defense calls Ridge Forrester to the stand. After the gun went off, was that the end of the struggle?
At first, I didn't know if either one of us had been shot. I was still holding on to Shane's wrists, and he had this wild look in his eye. I half expected him to lunge at me.
Did he?
No, I guess we both kind of sank to our knees together.
Shane pulled you down with him.
Yeah. When I let go, he fell backwards. I'm pretty sure he died instantly.
All yours.
I have no questions for this witness.
You may step down. Ms. Blair?
Your Honor, we move for a direct verdict of not guilty on the charge of murder in the first degree.
I'm prepared to rule now. Mr. Forrester, you made a series of horrendously bad decisions when you determined that Mr. McGrath was dead. You say you regret them, and I believe you. So, in the matter of your guilty plea for obstruction, I'll grant bond in the amount of $50,000 pending sentencing.
Thank you, Your Honor.
As for the murder charge, based on the facts of this case, the uncontradicted testimony of the only known witness, and as well as the lack of any physical evidence tying the defendant to a criminal act within reasonable doubt, I find the defendant, Ridge Forrester, not guilty. Mr. Forrester, you're free to go.
Oh. Hey, big brother.
Congratulations. Hey, thank you, sweetie. Is this for real or what?
It's about as real as it gets.
Congratulations, man. Thank you.
Son,
Dad.
the sooner we can get you out of here, the better.
Oh, tell me about it. Tell me about
You too? Come with me.
it. When you're right, huh? Your son came out and saved the day.
Yes, he did. And I'm sure he'll love to hear that coming directly from you.
Taylor, I hope you'll come to the house. I think everyone wants you to.
Sure, I think I'll take you up on that. All right, I'll see you there.
Bye, sweetie.
Well, nightmare's over.
Mother, I want to thank you for your continual faith in me.
Oh, honey. I'm supposed to look out for you, and I'm the one that got you into this.
Well, I know you were just doing what you thought was best at the time.
Every night that you were in that jail was just agony for me, and I knew this moment would come, and it has, hasn't it? You're free.
Yeah.
You're free.